A lot of people ask me, why do advertisers copy so much? And the answer is very simple, because it's easy. An ad that works for your competitor, you think if it works for them, it will work for me. And there's some truth in that. But here's the problem. Most people just copy the ad exactly as it is. Same script, same visuals, sometimes even the same actors. And that's why it fails. Copying without adapting never works. Now, let me show you the right way to do competitor research. The easiest tool to start with is Facebook Ads Library. It's free, it's public, and it lets you see all the ads a brand is currently running. Just go to facebook.com/ads/library, type the brand name, and instantly you'll see their active campaigns running their ads. It's one of the best free research out there, and it's one of my favorites. But if you want to go deeper, there are paid tools that make this process easier. For example, Foreplay. Foreplay connects directly with the Facebook Ads Library and organizes ads in such a smart way. They have over 100 million ads inside the platform. With Foreplay, you can see which ads have been running the longest time, which usually means if they're running for a long time, it's because they're working. You can see which hooks are being repeated. You can download the ads. You can even download the transcript of the videos. This saves hours of manual work if you do this every day. Another free option is AdScan. AdScan is a Chrome plugin. When you install it, you can download ads directly from the Facebook Ads Library. Then you can take those videos and run them through Descript to automatically generate transcripts for free. This way, you get the full script of the ad without paying anything. So now, the question is, what do you do with all the information? This is where most advertisers go wrong. They see a competitor ad and copy it word by word. They take the same structure, the same claims, and just change the logo. And then they're surprised when it doesn't perform. But of course it doesn't, because you're showing the same ad as your competitor. Why should the customer choose you? You're just blending in. Here's the right way to do it. Instead of copying, you analyze. You look for patterns. You look for signals. For example, what type of hook are they using it in the first 3 seconds? Are they starting with a question, a bold claim, or a customer testimonial? Think about it. What kind of body structure do they use? Problem, solution, before and after, a demo of the product, and so many more. Do they bring social proof, reviews, authority? They show their community, and even more. How strong is the call to action at the end? Once you know what works, you adapt it to your own brand. You take the transcript of a top ad, and instead of copying it, you rewrite it with your values, your product, your story. The formula stays, but the execution is yours. For example, let's say you find a competitor ad that starts with, "Are you tired of wasting money on gym membership you never use?" You don't copy that line exactly. Instead, you use the same structure for your product. For example, "Are you tired of spending hours on meal prep every week?" Same format, different message, adapted to your audience. That's the game. You don't reinvent the wheel, but you also don't steal the wheel. You study the wheel, figure out why it rolls, and then build your own version that fits your car. And here's the thing. If something works for a competitor, it might also work for you, because often you're targeting the same type of audience, but it won't work if you just duplicate it. People notice, algorithms notice, and the audience gets bored. Adaptation is everything. That's why tools like Foreplay are powerful. Not because they're let you copy, but because they let you organize and analyze. You can make folders of competitor ads, tag them by format, highlight which one inspired you, and then create your own versions. If you manage many clients, you can do this per client, so you always have a research library ready. So let me summarize this. Copying ads is not bad itself, it's actually smart, but copying the lazy way doesn't work. The right way is use tools like Facebook Ads Library to see what's running. Use plugins like AdScan, or if you want a paid option, use Foreplay to get a massive library and structured insights. Look for patterns, hooks, structures, social proof, call to action. Adapt those winning formulas to your brand, your values, your story. Do this and you'll always be ahead of your competition, because you're not guessing, you're learning, adapting, and creating. And that's how the best advertisers win.